Hey, what's going on, guys? How's everybody doing today? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. A body beat down here, Michael, on this Friday afternoon. Just about to step on the school bus to go do my afternoon route. Got a little package from the FedEx guy. I don't have my little table here right now. It's over there by my bike. I don't feel like moving it. So we're just going to bring the box over to us. Small package here. That's what she said. Sadly. Anyway, let's open this package up. Is that what she said? I don't know. So guys, if you hadn't checked out my channel, go check out my channel. Lots of stuff going on. Hope you enjoy. Like, share, subscribe, comment if you would. So I got some more goodies for my drum set. We'll see what all we got here. I'm surprised that this all fit in here, to be honest. Not that it's a lot, but it's the size that counts. Good grief. We'll look at that in a second. Get out of here! All right, guys, what we have here is a Paiste. I can't pronounce that word. It's Paiste, I believe. PSTX 16-inch Swiss thin crash. Swiss thin crash. There's a neat texture to it. Kind of like a vinylish shower curtain. That's going to be interesting. Adding to the collection, guys, with cymbals. That's where all the money goes. Hope that sounds like what I want when I get to beating and banging on it. If not, it's another $150. So, that's the bad part whenever you don't live close to a place that has all these kind of things in stock. Is you just got to take a chance. So, yeah, anyway, we got a new cymbal, and we got the arm to hold it. It's going to attach to, if you can see, my rack tom there, how the bars come up that holds the rack toms. This connects to the bar, comes up, and you connect your cymbal to it. So, yeah. We'll see how that does, guys. A drum set is never ending, and it's especially true with the cymbals. So just a really quick unboxing here. Nothing crazy, but I look forward to adding more sound to my horrible sound that I already hit and play on. So I'm horrible, but I don't care. Stay tuned for a sound test on this cymbal. All right? See y'all later. All right, guys. Just put my new cymbal on. It's the Paiste PSTX 16-inch Swiss thin crash. This is my first time even hitting it. So let's see what we got, guys. there you go, guys. It has an interesting sound to it. That's what you're looking for as a drummer, is to add more sounds, more stuff that you can play with. So, woo! All right, we're going to be playing around with that one here shortly, guys. I still got to get my workout done. All right, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff to the Body Beatdown. That's me, Michael, your host. I'm way over here from the camera. Hey, everybody. Get up, get out, get rad, do it to it, and have a good weekend. See y'all later.
Get up, get out, get rad, and do it, do it!